Hi guys, it's Matthew again. Today is 15th of February 2021. Briefly before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased trading boats as the PIPSREAPER boats, don't forget this boat has been updated a few weeks ago, and the boat is still very effective and active, and it's just 7.99 USD. You can see some of the results of the boats, February 2021. You can see right here. This is a link to purchase these boats: www.binarypipsreaperboats.ctych.technologies.com.ng. is just 7.99 USD, and you can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card, and all that. So just visit the page to purchase the boat. And for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, the version 5.1 has been released a few weeks ago, and we've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boats. As you can see right here, here are some of the results of the latest version 5.1. So just visit www.touchscalper.ctych.technologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. It's just 9.99 USD, and you can see here are some of the results on boats.binary.com and also the deriv interface. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Today again we'll be dropping few strategies. Just subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here are the URL again to purchase the PIPSREAPER boats. There's a link. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube, so just check the video description. And here is the link to purchase the TOUCHSCALPER boats. And here are some of the links to follow. For those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account. And here is the link to subscribe to our channel. We have two channels right here, so subscribe to the first channel using this link, and the second channel uses this link. So we're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. So let's get back to the trading. Here we are using the D trader for this strategy, and we'll be trading the touch no touch volatility 10 index. I'm in dark mode right now. I'm in dark mode, so you can change yours here. Once you click on settings, you go to dim, then you click on dark mode in case you are seeing the white background. So just change that to dark mode. That's not compulsory. So after logging in to the deriv interface, you choose the D trader on the top left corner. You click on D trader to see this. So once this is opened, you open the trade type, synthetic indices, and volatility 10 index. So once you click on that, you go to the indicator right here, then you choose others, then you click on, you go to volatility, you click on Dochen channel indicator. So once you click on that, you're going to click on this plus. You're going to click on this plus for this thing to zoom out. You can see if I click on minus, it will zoom in, but if you click on plus, it will zoom out for you to be able to see the movement of this thing very fast. You have to be seeing the movement very well, because the moment it jumped up, we're going to be clicking on the touch. So here you set the durations to 2 minutes, then you set the barrier offset to minus 0.226. So once this thing goes up towards this area, we're going to click on touch. So it has gone up right there. We click on up, so we click on touch. So let's watch the time. So we have 1 minute 48 seconds right here. You can see it's pushing down. You can see we've almost hit that. You can see we already won that trade right there, because it has touched the barrier. It has touched the barrier already, so we won that trade. So we're going to go for another trade right now. We have to watch this movement jumped up clearly. You have to make sure that you click on this plus for you to be able to see this fast movement. So once it goes up, you can see it's up there. is up again, so I click on touch. I have to be fast when clicking on that touch. So it is the time count. Okay, you can see we have hit that barrier. We've hit that barrier already. As you can see, the profit there at plus 2.73. You can see right there. So let's go for the final trade before we proceed to our next strategy. Let's just watch again. Once it jumps right up, we're going to click on touch. As we go right up, and you have to be fast, and see the movement is so fast. Okay, it's up there, so I quickly click on touch. Let's watch. No time count. You can see we've already won that trade already. We won that trade right there. We won that trade, so we made almost $9 just in about few minutes. So you can see we've already hit the barrier right there. So you can go on and on and on and on and on. So we're going to release another strategy again today. Just watch all our channels, and don't forget, if you haven't purchased the PIPSREAPER boot, just visit www.PIPSREAPER boot, binary PIPSREAPER.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can see the results, and it's just 7.99 USD. You can make payments using Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Web Money, bank transfer. Same thing goes to the TOUCHSCALPER boot. For those who haven't purchased the boots, the version 5.1 is out. Just visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boots at just 9.99 USD. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.